doing a short hike up to the Garden of the Gods. Okay, and I made it all the way to the top. I am pretty impressed with myself. I was out of breath, thought I was not gonna make it there for a second, but again, proved myself wrong. And honestly, this is pretty great for anybody who's suffering from depression or just genuinely gets like I do when I'm stuck. But anyways, there's really great views up here, a lot of friendly people, and genuinely recommend going up here if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and share if you feel like it. Oh man. I will see you next time. Bye.